Hey, welcome everybody to the 40 Finance channel. My name's Jeff Beers. Today I'm going to talk real quickly about taxable investing accounts and why I think that everybody should have one and what some of the advantages are with taxable investing accounts. Reminder as always that I am not an accountant or a financial professional, so please make sure you do your own research before making any investing decisions. But if you do like stock market analysis and personal finance topics like this, then please make sure you subscribe to the 40 Finance channel. Thank you to everyone who's helped the channel grow so far. Alright, so you don't have to go very far on the internet to see the myriad of advantages you get with a 401k or a non-taxable retirement investing account. And these are awesome vehicles to use. Most people who work a W-2 job have a 401k. There's Roth IRAs. There's all kinds of different vehicles you can do to sort of skimp around paying taxes on your investments while they grow. So with all the benefits of those types of accounts, why in the world would anybody want a taxable stock market account like I have? And the number one reason why I have this type of account is for liquidity and access to my money. So being able to get to my money as quickly as possible is very important to me, and being able to buy, sell, hold trades in and out of my savings account within my brokerage account is also very important to me. For me personally, I deposit into my brokerage savings account, which is a high interest savings account, even though nowadays there's very little interest involved. That's where I start my investing journey, is taking money from either my businesses or my checking account and moving it into my savings account, which is then connected to my taxable brokerage account. So at any point I can shift from savings to the stock market account literally in a matter of minutes. I use Ally Bank both for savings and for investing, and for me it's worked out very well. I do not need fractional penny spreads on stocks. I've never had a problem getting a fair spread price on a stock, and I'm not trading penny stocks or anything like that. So Ally's worked out really well, and the fact that they're always like a market leader in the savings account arena, although that world is sort of depressed right now, I know that when it does roll back around, they will be one of the market leaders in the interest rates that they offer. So access to money is definitely one of the big features. Now the second reason I like to have a taxable account, retail brokerage account, is because it's a little bit of a wealth credit building game. These accounts are considered liquid assets, so all of the money that you have in there is actually counted towards investments you might make, such as buying a home, investing rental property, things like that, whereas you typically cannot claim your 401k or IRAs onto your liquid asset portfolio. So while I'm saving and investing, I get this additional bonus of sort of credit worthiness that can be used for a lot of different things if I ever needed to. Alright, so we have immediate access to our money. We sort of have the credit/liquidity play when you have money in a taxable account. And finally, we have the tax loss benefits for any investments that you make that you sell for a loss. Basically, if you play your cards right and make sure you talk to your accountant, if you have losing stocks, you can sell them in the same year that you have winning stocks, and you can try to play a game where you offset some of the gains. So let's say this year you had equal investment in Tesla and an equal investment in Hertz. I don't know if Hertz is still around, but let's just pretend it went to zero. You could use your Hertz losses to offset some of your Tesla gains depending on if you sold both of those stocks. That's the key, because you have to have realized gains or losses. So again, it's sort of a complex topic. Talk to your accountant or do your own research online. But just know that if you have a retail brokerage account, aka taxable account, and you have some stocks that frittered away, those losses can be sort of strategic if you run the game the right way. All right, so those are 3 quick reasons why I have a taxable stock account. Far and away, the number one reason is to have access to money and use it for anything that I want. As you guys know, 401ks, IRAs, all those things, they have minimum distributions, they have tax penalties if you withdraw too early, and there's nothing wrong with them. They're a great vehicle if for sure you're going to use them for retirement or possibly for a college savings account. But if you're investing in your 401k, knowing that you have plans, say, to take that money out to put a down payment on a house, then you really shouldn't keep putting money in there. There's smarter ways to do it. So you may want to think about a taxable stock account for some of the reasons listed here. And if you're new, just know that most taxable accounts have all the features that you're probably used to in your 401k. So yes, you can buy any public traded ETF. There's even some mutual funds if you want to pay more fees. There is publicly tradable mutual funds. There's also access to bonds. Anything that is traded on the market is available in a taxable account. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this perspective on taxable brokerage accounts. Let me know if you have one in the comments. As always, give me a like and subscribe if you enjoy this content. We'll see you on the next video.